Welcome you to the House of Iban with all your dreams. Come true. Hey you guys, welcome back to our third episode of House of Horrors. In today's installment, we have this glam alien look, giving me galaxy realness, okay? That's what it's giving me. You can call me Galaxandria. If you're a returning visitor, subscriber, thanks for coming back. Make sure you like the video. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share the video with your friends, family. Now let's get into the video. Hey you guys, so we're gonna just clean up our brows, and I'm also gonna use the wipes to just clean around my face, all the perimeter. Now I'm using my Wet n Wild primer, photo focus primer. Get it everywhere, and you always know that I'm gonna arch my brows and get them looking nice before I put the glue. And we're using our Elmers jumbo stick glue, the purple kind. And I'm using my eyelash and eyebrow wand to push up those hairs. And then I'm using my makeup wipe to clean around the edge before I go back in with more glue and push up once more with my comb, my dirty, nasty little comb. And I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This one has some color to it. I was going to use my Airspun, but I just chose to use this instead, so it can have a better disappearing effect for my eyebrows. And I literally went back into my powder at least 4 times, packing the powder on. And now I'm using this baby blue color for the foundation base color for our alien look. And I wanted to start at the top. I got this idea from what's the girl name? I forgot the girl name, but I'll make sure I put her information in the description box. She's a YouTuber too, but in one of her videos she started at the top of her makeup look so she wouldn't mess up the bottom part. So that's what I did here. I started at my forehead and worked my way down, and I'm going to leave some of the space around my eye empty because we're going to use a different color for that section. But everywhere else I'm using this baby blue color. If you guys have a beard like me, make sure that you get all the way close as possible to your beard so your skin won't be showing. And as you can see, this is why I left the space around my eyes a little empty, so we could paint around our eyes using our black paint from our Ruby Made Cosmetics Pro Paint palette. And I'm making sure that I use my angled brush to use the black to draw the circles first and then paint inside. In that same Pro Paint palette, I'm using some of the white to highlight the highest points on my face, which is my cheeks, nose, forehead. And I'm using this another color, the blue color from the palette, to contour around the edges of my face. So we're pretty much just painting like we would paint if we were using regular makeup. After you guys paint with the paint, whatever paint you're using, you want to set it. So I'm using my black eyeshadow from my Profusion Cosmetics Nude Eyes palette, and after I put the paint on, I set it with the eyeshadow. Now I'm using my eyeliner from Maybelline to go around the eyes to give it a bold edge. Before I move on, I want to bake and set all the colors that I've put on my face with my Airspun translucent powder, and I'm setting my cheeks as well. And now I'm going to be going into my NYX Ultimate Edit makeup palette, and I'm putting on the purple color to go over where my eyebrows were. And I also went into that same palette and used the blue to give myself a slightly contoured nose. And I used my powder brush just because I didn't want my nose to be so contoured, not too contoured. And I'm going back into my Profusion Cosmetics palette to give myself some makeup eyebrows. And I am going into a palette I got from wish.com. Don't know the name of the cosmetics brand. Sorry, you guys. Cannot help you there. And I'm just using the purple in that palette to highlight my nose, cheeks, and those fake purple eyebrows. And I wanted to give myself some more color on my skin, so I went into the dark blue color in the Ruby Made Cosmetics Pro Paint palette to color my ears, and back to the baby blue for my neck. That's our fab Galaxandria look. If you guys like this look, let me know in the comment section what other Halloween looks you want me to do. I love this look so much. Well, until next time on my series, House of Horrors, bye!